Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Ghost Recon Breakpoint Game connection error, connection lost issue, network error, can't join servers error on PC, or game session no longer available, error code INFINITY-00009, or services are not available at this time, Infinity error code 00100. That is a Ghost Recon Breakpoint services are not available at this time. Please try again later. Error code is INFINITY-00100. Or if you're getting this error, your connection to Ubisoft Servers has been lost. Please try again later. So if you're facing connection error, network error, can't connect to server error, or can't connect to Ubisoft server in the game Ghost Recon Breakpoint, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to restart PC and then restart the game and check. So simply restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to perform network reset. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on network and internet. Scroll down, click on advanced network settings. Click on network reset and then click on reset now. And then click on yes to confirm, and then reconnect your Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to re-synchronize your Windows clock. So again open Windows settings. On the left, click on time and language. Click on date and time, and you can see over here set time automatically. Just toggle it off and then toggle it on. Then scroll down under additional settings, click on sync now, and then restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 4 is to turn off Wi-Fi router or modem. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then restart your Wi-Fi router or modem, reconnect it and then launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to switch internet connection. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then disconnect it and then turn on mobile hotspot on your mobile and then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to internet via Ethernet cable and then check. Fix 6 is to flush DNS. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you type this code one by one, just copy it and then paste it over here. I have provided this code in my video description. You can easily copy and paste it from there. So copy the second code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the last code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Now you will see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close the command prompt and don't forget to restart your PC. This is an important step, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 7 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search type control panel and open the control panel. Under the network and internet, click on view network status and task. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi or internet. Then click on properties. Then select the internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Check mark the second option. Use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK and then close it and then relaunch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Ghost Recon Breakpoint connection error, connection lost issue, network error, can't join servers error, error code INFINITY-00009 or error code INFINITY-00100, or your connection to Ubisoft servers has been lost on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.